Hi friends, this is Arslan and you are watching Threat Hunter. In this video, I will show you how you can download and install Ubuntu 22.4.3, which is the latest release of Ubuntu. Ubuntu is one of the most powerful and popular and open source Debian-based Linux operating system. The new release of Ubuntu has quite stunning and wonderful features. Believe me guys, its GUI is just amazing. Also, Ubuntu is more efficient and fast relatively as compared to many other operating systems. As it is distribution of Linux, you can download and install Ubuntu free of cost. Okay guys, right now on my screen, as you can see an interface, this is VMware Workstation. For those who don't know what is VMware Workstation, it is a tool which enables us to install other operating systems on our host operating system. As guys, in our case, my host operating system is Windows and we will try to install Ubuntu on our host operating system, and this process is called virtualization. Okay guys, now open your browser and type Ubuntu. You can see the very first website, ubuntu.com. This is the official website of Ubuntu. Open this website and go to the download tab. Now guys, you can download Ubuntu for your desktop and you can also install Ubuntu on your server. We are going to install Ubuntu on our desktop system. So I will click on Get to Ubuntu Desktop. Now guys, new page is downloaded. Scroll down. Now this is the latest release of Ubuntu 22.4.3 LTS. We are going to download this file. Click on download 22.4.3. And guys, save your file. Now guys, in the download tab, you can see our file is downloading Ubuntu 22.4.3. The size of this file is 4.7 GB. I have already downloaded this file, so I will cancel this download. Now guys, you can see here is the file we have just downloaded. Now open your VMware. Now under the Home tab, you can see an option, Create a new virtual machine. Click on this tab and click on Next. Now guys, here you can see you can import the file you have just downloaded. Click on Browse and import your file. Click on Open now. Click on Next. Here you can enter your full name. You can choose username for your virtual machine. And enter your password. After entering username and password, click on Next. Here you can rename your virtual machine. Now guys, click on Next. Now guys, here you can allocate memory to your virtual machine. I will set it to 100 GB. And choose the option split virtual disk into multiple files. And guys, click on Next. Guys, here you can customize hardware of your virtual machine. So click on Customize Hardware. Here you can allocate the memory to your virtual machine. You can increase or decrease it, either 4 GB, 2 GB or 1 GB, depending upon the capacity of your system. I will choose it 2 GB. And now guys, click on Processors. You can also increase the number of processors depending upon the capacity of your system. Click on New CD DVD. You can see we have already imported our ISO Ubuntu image file, so I will not change it. Click on Network Adapter. and USB controller. Here you need to choose USB 2.0 for your Ubuntu virtual machine. Now guys, click on display and on the right side under the 3D graphics, unmark this checkbox accelerate 3D graphics. Otherwise your Ubuntu machine will give an error. We will unmark this checkbox and click on close. Now hardware for our virtual machine has been customized. Click on finish. It will take some time. Our virtual machine has been created. Now we need to configure and install our virtual machine. Here we can choose keyboard layout and click on continue. Now here you can mark this checkbox. It will install all the dependencies and libraries. Click on mark this checkbox and click on continue. Now it's asking, do you want to erase disk and install Ubuntu? I will not change this setting and click on install now. Now it's asking, do you want to write changes to disk? Click on continue. Here you can choose your region. The date and time setting will be displayed according to the region you have chosen. Click on continue. Now it's asking who are you. Enter your name here. Enter your username and password that will be used later to log into your virtual Ubuntu machine. Click on continue. Installation is complete. Click on restart now to restart your virtual Ubuntu machine. Enter your password to log in into your Ubuntu virtual machine. And now our virtual machine is ready to use. Thanks guys for watching my video. Like and follow for more informative content.